In this video, I'm going to show you to connect your Canon camera in live time to your phone so you can see the live photo or video and take photos and videos from your phone. Now, it's really easy to do. First thing you're going to want to do is if you already do not have the Canon Connect app, which I have right here, you want to get that. And then once you have it, you just want to open it. And I'm just going to place this camera off to the side because we don't need it for the first section. And once you're actually on the Canon Connect app, all you do in the top right hand corner, you click on these three dots. And then you click on the register a new camera option. It will bring you to this panel like so with the hundreds of different camera options that you can connect to. In this case, I'm going to search for my camera, which is the Canon RP. And you can either connect with Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. However, I recommend connecting with Wi-Fi because it's been a lot faster to connect for me. And I've experienced a lot less lag using Wi-Fi. So once you do that, you just click on the Wi-Fi option and it will bring you to this panel like so. And we just want to put our phone off to the side when we're on this panel. Instead, pick up our camera and go over to the menu option on your camera. Doing so, it'll bring you to this, and you just want to click on the wrench and go to the fifth panel right here where you click on wireless communication settings. Then from here, all you need to do is you click on the Wi-Fi settings and you want to enable Wi-Fi, which mine is already enabled, but if yours is not, you want to enable that. Then you click on go back to menu and then click on the Wi-Fi functions option and then click on the Wi-Fi functions option, or you can do Bluetooth, which is the third one down, but I'm going to do Wi-Fi. It'll bring you to this panel like so where you can select your phone and then you want to click on your phone. It will search for it, and we're actually going to pick back up our phone, and as you can see, we want to check this box right here when our camera is ready to connect, and you click on next, and you just want to go to the Wi-Fi settings of your phone right here, and it will actually take a few seconds and then pop up as the Canon camera to connect to your Wi-Fi network. Once doing this, it will take a second to load, and once it actually does successfully connect, you want to go back to the Canon Connect app, and it will actually pop up like this where you click OK, connection is successful, and you can either shoot by clicking on this image right here. And as you can see, this is the real-time video of whatever this Canon camera is doing. And if you want to take a video, you can just click on this button and it is recording. And if you want to stop it, you can do the same. And you can always change manual and custom settings using your phone. And it's easy as that to do. If you found this video helpful, leave a like down below and share this with a friend who also needs to learn how to connect their camera to their phone.